If you've ever found yourself switching between a half dozen productivity apps, sticky notes, cloud docs, and calendar tools just to keep your life or projects organized, then Notion could easily become the one tool that replaces all of them. Notion is an incredibly versatile, all-in-one productivity and knowledge management platform that combines note-taking, database management, task tracking, and collaboration tools under a single intuitive interface. It allows users to create pages composed of movable content blocks. These blocks can be text, headings, to-do checklists, toggle lists, code snippets, embedded media, web links, tables, Kanban boards, calendars, and more. What makes Notion unique is its blank slate structure. It doesn't force you into a particular method of organizing. Instead, it provides you with powerful building blocks to design your own systems, whether you want a minimal daily journal or a full-scale enterprise knowledge base. Getting started with Notion is simple. You can sign up for free with just an email and immediately begin creating pages. Each page acts like a container that can house any type of content or subpage. The user interface is clean and minimalist, with a left-hand sidebar showing your workspace and a main content area for building and viewing pages. As you begin working in Notion, you'll notice that everything is modular. You can drag and drop elements freely, creating flexible layouts and interactive documents without needing to know how to code. Whether you're creating a grocery list or managing a product development lifecycle, you can build exactly what you need, linking elements together in a smart, contextual way. For example, you can create a task database with properties like deadlines, status tags, assignees, priorities, and more. Then view the same database in multiple formats: a calendar to see upcoming tasks by date, a Kanban board to visualize tasks by status, or a table to filter and sort based on specific criteria. These dynamic views make Notion ideal for personal productivity, team collaboration, and knowledge management. One of the core strengths of Notion is its support for databases. Unlike traditional spreadsheet apps, Notion databases are visually engaging and deeply integrated with the rest of your workspace. You can create relations between databases, use roll-up fields to summarize information from related entries, and apply filters, formulas, and grouping to make your data more useful. Notion also supports backlinks between pages, allowing you to build a networked thought system similar to tools like Roam Research or Obsidian. This makes it a fantastic choice for building a digital second brain where notes, ideas, projects, and references are all connected. Collaboration in Notion is seamless. You can share pages or entire workspaces with others, set permissions, view, comment, edit, and even leave inline comments on specific blocks, making it ideal for teams working remotely or asynchronously. There's also a growing suite of integrations and the Notion API, enabling you to automate workflows, sync data with tools like Slack, Google Calendar, GitHub, and more. Notion's flexibility extends to its vast library of community-created templates. Whether you're managing a team sprint, tracking fitness goals, planning content for YouTube, organizing study notes, or journaling for mental clarity, there's likely a template to help you start quickly. These templates are completely customizable and are a great way to learn the best practices for structuring your workspace. Another key feature of Notion is its web clipper, which lets you save articles, ideas, and research from the internet directly into your workspace. This makes it a powerful tool for writers, researchers, marketers, and students who collect references and ideas from various sources. Everything is stored in the cloud and synced across devices, so you can access and edit your content on desktop, mobile, or web. Over time, you might find yourself building dashboards that act as mission control for your entire life or business. You can combine goal tracking, project overviews, habit logs, financial planning, and reading lists into a single page with nested sections and toggles. With the ability to embed content like videos, PDFs, tweets, Figma designs, and Google Docs, Notion becomes a unified canvas for all types of work. For teams, it can serve as an intranet, project management tool, knowledge base, and more. You can create onboarding pages, SOPs, company wikis, and product roadmaps, all within one unified platform. Teams use it to document everything from internal policies and meeting notes to customer feedback and product backlogs. Version history and permissions allow for safe, collaborative editing. Notion also supports Markdown, making it easier for developers and writers to work efficiently. The mobile experience is just as capable, with offline editing, full-page creation, and quick access to your entire workspace, enabling productivity on the go. The platform continues to evolve rapidly, now including Notion AI, which offers features like automatic summarization, idea generation, grammar correction, translation, and Q&A about your workspace, all directly integrated, not a separate app. This lets you interact with your content in smarter ways and reduce the friction of starting a new document or digging through old notes. Imagine being able to ask, "What did I write about marketing strategy last month?" and getting a smart response instantly. Whether you're managing tasks, writing long-form articles, keeping track of client projects, or building an interactive resume, Notion allows you to design your workflow the way your brain works. Unlike tools that impose a rigid structure, Notion adapts to you. Its block-based system is endlessly flexible and scalable, meaning you can start simple and scale up as your needs grow. You don't have to be tech-savvy to use it effectively, but if you are, you can push its capabilities much further with integrations, embeds, and automation. Over time, Notion becomes not just an app you use, but a mindset, a visual extension of how you think, plan, reflect, and create. Because of its customizability, people often refer to it as their second brain or digital sanctuary. It helps reduce decision fatigue by consolidating tools, enables better reflection by making patterns visible, and supports deeper work by removing clutter. It's not just about writing or planning, it's about building systems for your goals, your growth, and your future. You can start using Notion in your personal life in countless ways. You might begin your day with a custom-built homepage that includes your daily agenda, priority tasks, and a motivational quote, all automatically refreshed. You can create habit trackers to monitor things like water intake, workouts, reading, or meditation. Journaling in Notion becomes more powerful when you link your daily reflections to goals, gratitude logs, or mood trackers. You can even manage your travel plans by building a page that includes itineraries, hotel bookings, Google Maps embeds, and checklists. Students use Notion to track assignments, organize notes by subject, and manage deadlines. You can create a reading list with checkboxes and tags to indicate whether a book is pending, in progress, or completed. Likewise, you can manage your finances by setting up expense trackers, monthly budgets, and savings goals, all with graphs and formulas to visualize your progress. For content creators, Notion is a game changer. You can manage your content calendar, brainstorm topics, script videos, collect research, and track engagement in one place. As a project manager, Notion gives you control over everything from scope to deliverables. You can set up a project tracker that includes task lists, Gantt-style timelines, and sprint boards. Assign responsibilities, set due dates, create dependencies between tasks, and view progress across multiple views. You can document project requirements, meeting minutes, stakeholder feedback, and sprint retrospectives all in the same workspace. Use relation properties to connect action items to meeting notes or goals, so everything stays traceable. If you work with clients, create separate pages or portals where they can track the project's status, deliverables, and timelines. You can even embed forms or client intake questions directly into these pages. For freelancers, Notion becomes a CRM, invoice tracker, proposal generator, and portfolio, all in one. For software teams, Notion can act as a lightweight alternative to tools like Jira or Confluence. Create issue trackers, feature logs, bug reports, and release notes with proper tags, owners, and filters. The ability to set reminders, write documentation, and link code snippets or GitHub issues within the same environment makes it extremely developer-friendly. Whether you're leading a startup, a solopreneur managing your life and business, or simply someone trying to get more organized, Notion gives you a platform to centralize everything and make it beautiful and functional at the same time.